Welcome back. Now that we have Python and Visual Studio Code ready, let's make sure everything is working correctly. Open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac and Linux. Then type Python version and press Enter. If you see a version number appear on the screen, you're all set. Python is installed and ready to go. Now let's write our very first Python program. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file called hello.py. And inside that file, type print hello world. Now save the file and run it. If everything worked correctly, you should see hello world appear on the screen. Congratulations! You've just written and executed your first Python program. Now let's understand what we actually wrote. Take a look at this line again. Print hello world. It may look unfamiliar right now, but it's actually very simple. Let's break it into pieces. First, we have the word print. The print command tells Python to display something on the screen. Whenever you want your program to show information to the user, you'll often use print. Next, we have these parentheses. The parentheses hold the information that we're giving to the print command. And finally, inside those parentheses, we have hello world. The quotation marks tell Python that this is text. So when Python reads this line, it sees the print command, takes the text inside the quotation marks, and displays it on the screen. That's all that's happening. Let's try changing the message. Instead of print hello world, we could write print welcome to Python. Run the program again. Now the new message appears on the screen. We can change the text to anything we want. For example, print programming is fun. Run it again. And Python displays exactly that. The print command doesn't care what message you give it. Its job is simply to display whatever text you provide. We can even use multiple print statements. For example, print hello, print welcome, print to Python. When we run this program, Python executes the instructions one at a time. First it prints hello, then welcome, then to Python. Notice how each print statement creates a new line in the output. And just like that, you're already writing real programs. Right now our programs can display information. But what if a program needs to remember information? What if we want to store a name, a number, or a piece of data and use it later? That's where variables come in. And that's exactly what we'll learn in the next video. Let's go.